give you guys a little update. Here's your big old freezer. It's about a third of the way walled out. Prep room's got a wall going up. That wall's all ready to cover. It's all sheetrocked and mudded. Nobody ever see that because of the IMP walls. Bathrooms are framed. Vaughn's smiling at us. Conference room. Bathrooms. This room's looking awesome. Break room. Say hello to Hunter. Elevator's sheetrocked on the bottom. Mechanical room for the elevator. Gowning room, looking awesome. Pretty exciting, you guys. Keep selling food. This is going to be awesome for you. We're going to add a bathroom right here. We're going to cut up that floor. Add another bathroom for the warehouse. There's your big freezer. Doors will be cut in, or the opening. Pretty awesome. Love it, you guys.